2022. Are you ready to discover the secret to 2022, unravel the mystery behind 222, and set yourself on course for a glorious year ahead? Don't miss the opportunity to join the Prophet of Dawn. As he unveils the mystery of dawn regarding the year at the 2022 crossover service on Friday 31st December 2021. If you live in Lagos, Nigeria and its environs, if you live outside Lagos, you can also watch the crossover service live by any of the following platforms. For more information and to reserve a seat, please visit or call